What's up, internet? So today I'm installing something really super simple on the Jeep that's going to make a big difference. So the Jeeps, at least the JKs, they come with these like nylon grab handles. Super common, everybody buys them. But they're not super great, especially like for getting in and out of the Jeep if it's lifted a little bit, sitting higher, or you just need a little help getting into the Jeep. They flex, they move, all that, so you need something more solid. So I'm going to be installing some wild boar grab handles just on the front, and maybe eventually, if I really like those, I might install them on the back as well. So this is the A-pillar of the Jeep right here by the windshield. So you're gonna have to remove this bolt here, and then there's another one right up here. Let's see if I can get in there. See it? Yep. That bolt right there, right by the sun visor. It's a 13 millimeter, so we'll get that out. And here's the hardware that comes with the grab handles. You have a short spacer, a long spacer, a long bolt, and a short bolt. So the long spacer will actually go right here, and the short spacer will go up there between the pillar and the grab handle, and of course the corresponding bolts. So short bolt with short spacer, long bolt with long spacer. And I found it a lot easier if you install the side long spacer and bolt first, which I'll show you. And you can see I've got the long spacer and bolt in, and it's just kind of dangling there. You don't want to crank this down, that way you have some movement. And then you just grab the other bolt and spacer. All right, you can see I got it loosely attached. Now I'm going to tighten the top bolt up first, get that one tight, and then the side bolt, just because this will give you your up, and this will tighten it down, and then this is kind of more of a support. And the handles are a left and a right. The holes are not drilled perfectly up and down. If you can kind of see, they're at an angle, and there's a little recess for the Allen heads of the screws to go into. So it is a left and a right. And it's in less than 5 minutes, and that's for both sides, because you see I have the other one done already. It is super solid. I mean, I'm 350 pounds. And that thing is barely moving at all, so it's a nice grab point that's solid to help get in and out of the Jeep. So I'd recommend it for JK owners. It just gives you that extra security of grabbing something, and then also if you're off-road, having another oak crab handle to grab onto that's solid. As you can see, I'm sitting in the driver's seat. It cuts a very minimal amount of your vision here, but not enough to where I'd say it's, you know, dangerous or anything like that. And on the passenger side, it fits so close, I have no obstructed vision over there, which is awesome. I was worried about it sticking out too much. So I got these off of Amazon. They were about $25, and it is a solid bar. It's not a hollow tube that's bent. It is a 100% solid bar that it's drilled, which makes it extra strong. They're really beefy for the size. So I would say recommended so far. I'll give an update if anything goes wrong with them.